welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, once today's reaction, I've chosen a Twice MV. This is a 2-year-old song that I've chosen. This is What Is Love. There were a lot of requests like Feel Special, this song. So I will do that one by one. But today I've chosen What Is Love. So this is a 2-year-old song. And you guys have told me from what I have read the comments that Twice's concept now have become more a little bit towards the darker theme, but they used to have much cuter concepts before. Like they were known for that. They are actually essentially known for that. Now they are actually going through a change in their concept. So that's what I have been told by all of you. So yes, I do not know this is what concept. Is it cute concept or mature concept? Let's see. What is love? All right, let's start the reaction. I'm really excited. It's been the last Twice reaction was the Mama reaction that I did. Okay. Oh, this is the cute concept. She looks amazing. Nayeon. Oh, they don't have love right now. Oh, this gives me such a High School Musical feeling, this song. So this is the cute Twice. This is a cute, because the first shot only suggested me, yeah, this is the cute concept. And this is about finding love. They do not have love. They're thinking, when will we find that kind of love? Oh wow, what loves feel like. Oh wow. I want to know how it feels like. I love the La La Land reference. I love it. Oh, I want to go back there. Momo looks really cute. I love her with the bangs actually. Wow. I love when the beat drops. Oh wow! Oh, they are adorable. Huh? Wait, what is that? Is it like an ad? They have done a brand promotion? Please let me know what that is. Huh? Once? Please let me know. Is that an actual brand insertion over there? It looks like that. It looks like that to me. It looks like that to me. They look gorgeous, guys. They look gorgeous. They look adorable and gorgeous. It's just such a different, thing from I Can't Stop Me. So different, such a different vibe, such a feel-good, cute, happy vibe. The first thing, like I said, now the first thing it reminded me of was High School Musical. They look gorgeous. They just look absolutely gorgeous. Love this costume. See? My gut instinct is always right. I'm gonna find you, yes. So these are all basically the romantic comedy. That's the Princess Diaries, the Anne Hathaway movie, the Princess Diaries. So many movie references. So many movie references. That's so cute. Oh, I love this MV. I love how they have taken the all the romantic movies and the romantic comedy references. They've put all of those here. That's actually really cool. And I love the tempo of the song. Like I said, it feels like such a happy song. Wow. This could pass as a Bollywood film. I'm just saying. They should have included the boombox one. I wish they had done the Boombox movie also. Lovely, lovely. Oh, I loved it. Okay, let me stop this one. I loved it, guys. Once, I absolutely loved it. I could recognize. I'm sure there were a lot of movie references. I couldn't catch all of them. I will do that. Maybe there is an explanation video for sure of this. But yeah, La La Land and the High School Musical one. Then the Princess Diaries, those three I could catch. The remaining ones you can let me know. You can let me know which are the movies. The one in the snow, I don't know, I just got the Bollywood feels from that. Maybe just me, all the Yash Chopra movies in the snow. Beautiful, beautiful locations. So yeah, so that was a beautiful, such a catchy song. This is a very cute concept. I love this concept actually. I really, really love this concept. And it suits them also. It really, the cute girl next door vibe actually suits them a lot. It really suits them a lot. I'm glad that now, of course, like you said, now their concepts are changing and they have mostly done the cute concept. So I'm glad that they're experimenting. I'm glad that they're changing their concept because change is always good. It's always great as an artist to always rediscover yourself. And I know there are a lot of restrictions on idols when it comes to producing the kind of music, but because it really depends on the company of what they want to project, how they want to project their artists as. So I'm happy that JYP is now letting them experiment with different concepts. So I'm glad. I'm actually extremely willing to see what they come up with next in their future comebacks. I wish there is an MV for Cry For Me. I know there is we have the official audio, we have the dance practice video as well. I've seen both of them. I've seen the dance practice video, I listened to the official audio, and I've of course reacted to the Mama performance of Cry For Me. So I think it's very good that they are exploring different kind of concepts and going in a certain different directions. I'm very happy for Twice. I am really happy that I'm getting to know them. They are extremely talented, considered one of the best girl K-pop groups. So yes, I'm extremely happy to and I'm glad to get to know them. If there are any more stuff like, you know, in depth, like there are compilation videos of so many K-pop groups. I'm sure there is of Twice. I'm sure there is of Twice. You know, something that you can suggest which can make me get more in depth about them, get more knowledge about them. Do let me know once. Do let me know. So yeah, guys, that was my reaction to What Is Love. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. This was really enjoyable. This was really, really enjoyable. So yeah, guys, that's it from me today. I hope you subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover. I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.